God damn. Boys, these cloths, holy shit. No streaks, no water spots. Bro, these cloths are so good. So we're off to the meet now. So I had a few issues about a week ago. Me and my bro wanted to chuck anti-lag on this, and we plugged into our ECU here, and my tune got wiped, and I was shitting myself. But long story short, we sorted it out like 2 days ago, and it's only just been running, so you know, it's all good now. Feels the same. And then I had an issue after I did the first drive where every time I change gear and throttle it straight after I change gear, nothing would happen for like half a second. But we sorted that out. It was just a O-ring, I'm pretty sure, on the throttle body. Feels pretty good now. Fuck yeah. Bro, I forgot something. I fucking forgot my fuel I bought. It's in a jerry can in my other car. It's still hesitating actually, so that's not good. Send it, dog. We got our gas now, and we're good to go. So we're thinking about, so the meet's at 11, it's 10:30 right now. And then we're thinking about going for a cruise around 1 o'clock, and then I got work at 5 o'clock, so yeah, we'll see how we go. I just washed the car. It wasn't dirty, it just had heaps of like water streaks. It's looking hella nice now. Never seen it this clean in my whole life. This cunt. I love people's reaction though, like it's my favorite thing ever. So the car park we're meeting at is just up here. I want to just do a little pull beforehand. Shit. Sheesh. Look at that. Nice. Very nice.
just had a V-spray. Oh, I thought it was, that's fucking gangster. Oh, has it been painting this while doing this?
Bro, the spark of pearl on this is ridiculous. Like, bro, when the sun was out, it was fucking...
It was sparkling. Now the sun is not out.
Hey, cuz. Go.
Is that a Supra?
To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Hey, YouTuber Aaron. Oh, no, well, let me just. Well,
Yeah, it's a broken 2-bed, yeah.
park up on the road away. Yeah.
No, 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 no.
So yeah, there was a lot of people that came out today, and a lot that recognized me, which was nice. Like everywhere I went, I was trying to take videos, and everywhere I went, I just got stopped by people, which is fine. But like, I had to just keep trotting along, taking some videos. But yeah, we're heading out to Marsden Point. It's 2 o'clock at the moment. I've got work at 5, so I can't be out for too long. We gotta just find a spot. I popped an intercooler pipe off just in town before, so I had to get that back on. Let's go. gear limiter.
Woo!